Have you ever seen an iPhone leak so close to launch that it actually looks like the real deal? Well, that's exactly what just happened. For the first time, we might actually be looking at the iPhone 17 Pro Max fresh off the production line. And if this video is real, Apple's next big phone is already in the hands of leakers. Here's what went down. Popular tipster Ice Universe posted a short clip that appears to show the iPhone 17 Pro Max in what's described as mass production form. Now, leaks of Android phones before launch are pretty common. We've all seen blurry hands-on shots of upcoming Samsung or Google devices, but Apple is different. It runs one of the tightest ships in the industry. Real-world iPhone leaks are rare, which makes this one stand out. The video shows the iPhone 17 Pro Max with its redesigned horizontal camera island. You can clearly see the camera sensors lined up, along with the LiDAR scanner, the LED flash, and even the microphone, all positioned on the far end of the island. That matches earlier rumors we've been hearing for months. The device in the clip also seems to be wearing a protective sheet on the screen, so sadly, we don't get to see it powered on. But the black, gray, and white colors shown in the video line up with rumored launch colors. So, is this the real deal? That's where things get tricky. The leaker calls it a mass production unit, which makes it sound like this is a finished retail model straight from Apple's factories. But it could also be a late-stage prototype or even a very good knockoff. Until Apple unveils it officially, it's best to take this with a pinch of salt. Still, this leak does add credibility to other information we've heard about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Another leaker from China, known as Instant Digital, recently revealed that the new Pro models will be better at handling bright sunlight. Phones usually dim their screens outdoors to avoid overheating, but thanks to improved cooling, the iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to maintain high brightness levels for much longer without throttling. That could be a game changer for anyone who spends time outdoors or uses their phone for navigation. Gaming performance is also expected to improve. Apple is said to have added a more stable cooling system that keeps frame rates smooth even when the phone gets hot. That means no more stutters during long gaming sessions. On top of that, video performance is reportedly getting an upgrade with better quality when shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second. And then there's the battery life. If the leaks are accurate, Apple is finally giving the Pro Max model a proper upgrade, a 5,000 mAh battery compared to the 4,685 mAh cell in the iPhone 16 Pro Max.